Hello guys, so we're here in Camp John Hay. So here, madami pong places na tourist spots like the Bell, this way to Bell Amphrey Theater. Okay, so mostly, heto, ang journey namin is more on walking kasi ganon. Pero merong sakayan doon noon. Ay, hindi noon, pero may sakayan na nag-run siya para mag-stop siya sa specific na place.
Mga bakasyonin ng mga Amerikano noon.
In here, the Bell House and the Bell Amphrey Theater.
Kaya na dito payong pudot.
Oh, here's my favorite flower. That's my favorite flower, guys. I win man. For me, I like to go to museums kahit na kasi gusto kong makakita ng mga history and something that is capable in the past few years. Kaya parang ganun. So we're here and we're going in the library. Library ba? Sige. Tignan natin muna. Ayun. Bell House Library. So, yan yung mga kasama ko. Meron doon ang nag-iisang nagka-pink. At meron naman ang nandoon na naka-blue. At nako naman ay naka-black. Yun lang. Ako yung camera ang magbi-video. Pero anyways. Ganon. So, nandun ang baba. Meron din ang nasa baba. So, next station is we're going to Bell Amphi Theater. Am I right? I don't know. But, wow, this view is very, very beautiful. And the two of the ladies are picturing like crazy while I'm here vlogging and videoing. But anyways,
Hindi daw Flores lava.
Yung pa rin sila tutudin mo naman sila. Ito, wala akong